Hello. I got this hair mask from Kinpur, and it's keratin and biotin. Hydrates, moisturizes, and repairs for all hair types. It has argan and jojoba oil. So we're gonna try it out. I have also been losing hair for the past few months, so biotin is supposed to help with that. The first step is so you have to wet your hair. Smells really nice. When I get the roots, wait 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 15 minutes, so I will see you back here. So it's been about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna wash it out now. I really love the smell, so I don't want to wash it out, but it says I have to. Rinse it. My hair feels kind of like firm, I guess, or like you can tell there's product in it. I'm gonna use my shower because it's easier. I will take a video of when it's dry. So this is my hair when it's dry. The top is dry, the bottom is still a little damp. So this is what my hair looks like a few hours after the product. I really liked it. My hair feels really soft. It does look a little oily, which I knew it was going to. So I'm gonna be using it twice a week because that's what it says to do, and hopefully we'll see some new hair growing.